Today we are going to learn exercise of a poem. We have already learned that poem. You can search into raindrops like once I saw a little bird. You can search like that, so you will get that poem. So we are going to cover here exercise. New words. Bird. Bird is panchi. Hop. Hop means small little jumps. Stop. Stop is rukna. Tail. Tail means poonch. Window. Window is khidki. Let's read. The bird flies out of the window. We must stop cutting trees. Reading is fun. What did the child see? The child see a little bird is coming hop by hop towards her. What was the little bird doing? The little bird was hopping. Let's talk. Do you see any birds around your school or your house? Yes, I regularly see pigeons coming in my balcony. Have you tried talking to them? Yeah, I always talk them like don't poop here, don't poop here. They always poop in my balcony. I've tried to talk to them but they don't understand. Take the right color. The roof is रूफ का मतलब है छत. पिंक है या ब्लू है? पिंक है, राइट. लेट्स टेक पिंक. द वॉल्स आर येलो रेड. वॉल्स का मतलब क्या है? दीवारें, करेक्ट. वॉल्स आर येलो, राइट. द विंडोज आर ग्रीन और ब्राउन. विंडोज का मतलब खिड़कियाँ. खिड़कियाँ कौन से कलर की हैं? ब्राउन कलर की हैं, करेक्ट. The door is blue or grey. Door का मतलब दरवाज़ा. दरवाज़ा कौन से रंग में है? Blue color, correct. The dustbin is pink or green. Dustbin का मतलब कचरे का डिब्बा, right? Dustbin is pink in color. The plants are green or orange. Plants का मतलब क्या है? पौधे. पौधे कौन से रंग में है? Green, correct. The floor is grey or brown. ग्रे कलर की है, ब्राउन कलर की. फ्लोर का मतलब है ज़मीन. ज़मीन कौन सा रंग में है? ग्रे, करेक्ट. कम टू मी चिक्स, आई वॉन्ट यू हियर. लुक एट मी. डू वॉट आई डू. डाउन एंड अप एंड डाउन. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अ चैप्टर फ्रॉम फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड NCERT book. Marigold. The name of the chapter is Lalu and Pilu. There was a hen. She had two chicks, Lalu and Pilu. Hen means मुर्गी. एक मुर्गी थी and she had two chicks. उसे बच्चे थे. Chicks. What is chicks in Hindi? बच्चे होते हैं मुर्गी के, छोटे छोटे पिल्ले होते हैं. That is, those are known as chicks. Chick. मुर्गी के बच्चे को चिक कहा जाता है. Okay, cool. Lalu and Pilu. The names of the chicks were Lalu and Pilu. Lalu was red and Pilu was yellow. Lalu used to love the red things as his name is Lalu. Lalu means red. Lalu को लाल चीज़ें पसंद थी. Red things he were loving. And Pilu was yellow and he used to love yellow things. Okay. One day Lalu saw something on a plant. It was red and he ate it up. What happened one day? There was something on a tree. There was something on a bush. एक plant था, वहाँ पे कुछ तो था लाल रंग का. We know Lalu eats red colored things. So he ate up that thing. जो प्लांट पे लाल रंग की कोई चीज़ थी, लालू को लगा कुछ तो है लाल रंग का है, so I'll eat that. So he ate it up. Oh no, it was a red chili. It was very hot. So Lalu ate up that and he felt that it is hot. बहुत तीखा है. तो उसको खाने के बाद रियलाइज़ हुआ कि कुछ तो है, तीखा है, हॉट है. So what happened? Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed. Lalu's mouth started burning. उसको मुंह में जलन हो रही थी उसके. Okay. He screamed. वो चिल्लाया. Ah! Oh God. Mother hen came running. Pilu came too. लालू की मॉम आई. मदर हेन आई. हेन मुर्गी. मुर्गी आई, उसकी मॉम आई. एंड हिज ब्रदर ऑल्सो केम. उसका ब्रदर का नाम क्या था? पीलू. पीलू भी आया था. पीलू said, I'll get something for you. Pilu brought a laddu. Laddu was yellow in color. So पीलू ने क्या कहा? I'll get something for you. मैं कुछ तुम्हारे लिए लाता हूँ. And he brought a laddu. पीलू को तो सब कुछ येलो खाना पसंद है, तो इसलिए उसने येलो लड्डू लाया अपने भाई के लिए. लालू गोबल्ड अप द लड्डू. गोबल्ड इज जोर जोर से खाना, फटाक से खाना. टू ईट क्विकली एंड नॉइजीली, तेजी से आवाज करते हुए खाना. ओके, दैट इज नोन एज गोबल्ड. लालू गोबल्ड अप द लड्डू. His mouth stopped burning. His mouth stopped burning. Burning is जल जाना. जो उसकी मुंह में जल रहा था, उसने क्या खाया था? चिली खाई थी, इसलिए मुंह जल रहा था. So his mouth stopped burning. उसका मुंह जलना बंद हो गया. Mother hen and लालू kissed पीलू. Mother hen मुर्गी ने और लालू ने पीलू को किस किया. थैंक यू बोला पीलू को. थैंक यू, यू ब्रॉट लड्डू फॉर लालू. न्यू वर्ड्स. चिक्स. चिक्स का मतलब है मुर्गी के बच्चे. चिक्स. हेन मुर्गी. हॉट गरम या फिर जलना या फिर तीखा. ओके. प्लांट पौधा. येलो पीला. I love plants. The chicks ran to their mother. Reading is fun. Name the chicks in the story. The chicks in the story are Lalu and Pilu. Who liked yellow things? Pilu liked yellow things. What did Lalu eat one day? Lalu ate up one day chili. Pilu brought a yellow laddu for Lalu. What are the other things Pilu could have brought that are both yellow and sweet? Name at least two. Okay, they have given example as mango. Tell me to comment box which things are yellow as well as sweet. Next, Lalu loves red things, Pilu loves yellow things. The color red is called lal in Hindi. Okay, that we know. Yellow is called pila. What do you call these colors in your language? I'm Marathi, so in my language, pila is known as piula and lal is known as lal. Lal आणि पिवळा. Give names to these chicks using the names of some other colors in your language. Lalu, Pilu. Okay. Lalu, Pilu, Nilu, Kalu. Cool. Match the chicks to the eggs they have hatched from. One has been done for you. Trace the letters on the eggs. A, E, I, O, U. You have to just complete the letters from the eggs. Just complete E, U, A, I, O. Okay. And connect the eggs with respective chicks. Riddle time. Red plus yellow is orange. Red plus blue is purple. Blue plus yellow is green. Add a white to make them light. Mother hen and the chicks. Quack, 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 quack. Come to me, chicks. I want you here. Who told like that? Mother hen told. Come here, chicks. Baby, मेरे सारे बच्चे यहाँ पे आ जाओ. I want you here. तुम सब मुझे यहाँ पे चाहिए. What do you want, mother? Mom, आपको क्या चाहिए? Look at me. Quack, 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 quack. Do what I do. Down and up, up and down. Quack, 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 quack. Do what I'm doing. Up and down. Up का मतलब है ऊपर और down. Down का मतलब है नीचे. ऊपर नीचे ऊपर नीचे नीचे ऊपर नीचे ऊपर. ऐसा करना है. मुझे देखो. Look at me. Mother, mother, I can do what you do. Look at me. Down and up and down. Mom, मेरी तरफ देखो, मेरी तरफ देखो. I can do what you do. आप जैसा कर रहे हो मुझे वैसा करना आता है. Down and up, नीचे ऊपर, ऊपर नीचे. I'm doing like that. Look at me. Chicks, do what I do. Up, down. Oh. What happened? The other chick came. Other chick whose name was Percy. Okay, so what he was doing, look at me, look at me chicks, what I do, up and down. मैं ऊपर नीचे जैसे करता हूँ ना, मुझे देखो, ऐसा वो बोल रहा है. Mother, the water, Percy is down in the water. What chicks are saying? Chicks कह रहे हैं कि मॉम देखो, पर्सी पानी में गिर गया है पर्सी, भाग रहे हैं वो बच्चे. पर्सी, ओ पर्सी. ऐसा कह के उस मदर ने उस पर्सी को, उस बच्चे को उठा लिया है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, we have completed this chapter, so we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our video. You have to sing this song. I like to sing when the sun is shining, tra la 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 la. Like to sing when the sun is shining, tra la la